Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of this Kevin's Honey Garlic Chicken Stir Fry. I got this at Costco. It's 7 minutes, as you can see. It is gluten-free, raised without antibiotics, soy-free. Here's the cooking instructions. Where's the ingredients? There's the ingredients right here. Hopefully you guys can see that. It says it's got green beans in here, it's got chicken in chicken broth, you got some honey garlic sauce. Yeah, alright, let's open this up. Okay, so here's what's in the box. You got your sauce, you got your chicken, which is kind of neat, and then you got your green beans. Oh, look at this, all prepared. Okay, so here is the green beans and chicken. So let's do a quick test of the chicken here. So it tastes pretty decent, actually. It's not it's got some good flavor, but I don't know, it's like it's very small, and but it's decent. So flavor wise, it has a sort of like a chicken is kind of like, yeah, it's just mediocre. So it's not, it's, you know, but it's actually it's okay. So definitely check it out, guys. Any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel. Doesn't really have like a lot of like honey garlic flavor that I find, but it's okay.